Igniting motivation in students. Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, but about learning to dance in the rain. The quote emphasizes the importance of embracing challenges and finding joys in difficult situations. Rather than simply waiting for better times to come, it encouraged a proactive and positive mindset, suggesting that instead of passively enduring hardships, we should actively engage with them and find opportunities for growth and happiness even amidst adversity. By waiting for the storm to pass, it implies that life is full of obstacles and difficulties, often represented by a storm which can be unpredictable and uncontrollable. Instead of waiting for these challenges to disappear, the quote suggests learning to dance in the rain. This metaphorical expression means adapting to the circumstances, finding ways to enjoy life even when things are tough, and making the most out of the present moment. In essence, the quote encourages resilience, optimism, and a proactive approach to life. It reminds us that challenges are inevitable, but our response and attitude toward them can make all the difference in our overall well being and happiness. Good day, everyone. Today, I stand before you to share a glimpse into the person I am, my aspirations, and the journey that has shaped me this far, and to ignite the spark within each and every one of you. To remind you that deep within, you possess the power to overcome any obstacle, to shatter any limitations, and to achieve greatness. My name is Erica Joy A. Briones from 11 STEM Pascal, and I am thrilled to have the opportunity to address you all today. From a young age, I have been driven by a deep curiosity about the world around me. This curiosity has fueled my desire to learn, grow, and make a meaningful impact on the world. Growing up as an OFW's daughter has shaped me in so many ways. It has taught me the value of hard work and the importance of never giving up. I've learned that success doesn't come easy. It requires sacrifice, determination, and a strong sense of purpose. Seeing my parents work tirelessly for our family has inspired me to always give my best in everything I do. Being a STEM student has opened up a world of possibilities and opportunities. One of the most significant aspects of my new experience in grade 11 is the increased level of difficulty in coursework. The curriculum demands a higher level of dedication, time management, and the perseverance. The workload can be overwhelming at times, but it has taught me the importance of discipline and setting priorities. Balancing multiple subjects, projects, and assignments has been a learning curve, but it has undoubtedly prepared me for the challenges that lie ahead. In conclusion, life as a grade 11 STEM student has been a transformative experience. It has challenged me academically, nurtured my curiosity, and provided me with a solid foundation for future endeavors. The pursuit of knowledge, the practical experiences, and the collaborative learning environment have shaped me into a well-rounded individual ready to embrace the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead. Let us channel the strength and determination of our OFW parents and become inspired achievers. As the children of OFW, we carry a legacy of courage and sacrifice. Let us honor that legacy by embracing motivation and pursuing our dreams with unwavering determination. Together, let us inspire and empower each other to reach for the stars. Thank you for your attention, and may the fire of motivation burn brightly within each and every one of us.